Namaste everyone and welcome to Swar, the voice of jewelers, where we will discuss the ongoings in the fashion, gems and jewelry industry. I am Swara, the world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network. I am here to share the latest updates about the industry with you. Here is the latest news in Indian gems and jewelry. Swar Gems introduces Manara Chopra as brand ambassador, a historic first in the Indian gem industry.
Hi everyone, this is your Manara Chopra and I am super excited to announce that I am a member of Swar Gems family. Swar Gems is a brand of eco-friendly lab-grown diamonds, best-in-class zirconias and the exquisite created gemstones. Swar Gems is led by the same team of experts who took Swarovski gems to new heights of success. It is a brand that values beauty and adorns your jewelry dreams. Swar Gems is so much more than just gemstones. It is about artistry, the incredible craftsmanship, and talented people who pour their hearts in creating timeless pieces. So get ready to meet me soon and be amazed by the glitters of Swar Gems.
The 40th edition of IIJ's premiere concluded on a high note with record sales and footfalls. Tanvi Group unveiled their new collections with Bollywood actress Manara Chopra as their chief guest and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. For the launch, Nitman Gold Exports launched their brand new collections with Bollywood actress Manara Chopra gracing as the chief guest and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. Vint by M.R. Parmar introduced its Stella collection, unveiled by chief guests Paul J. Alukka and John Alukka, MD of Jose Alukka's group and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. HDJ Jewels launched its latest collections, which were unveiled by the chief guests Paul J. Alukka and John Alukka, MD of Jose Alukka's group and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. Bansi Jewellers introduced the Leela Bridal Collection, featuring a blend of traditional and modern designs, unveiled by Mr. Anil Kataria, MD, DP Abhushan and Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. Nexaro by RKS Group launched exclusive collections of intricate designs and innovative lightweight products in presence of the chief guest Suhas Rao, MD, Bhima Jewelry and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. Emerald Group showcased over 80 innovations, including the patent-pending float stone setting, promising to transform gemstone display. Amy Gold and Diamonds debuted its lightweight designs with chief guest Neerav Bhansali, convener National Exhibitions GJPC and guest of honor Dr. Rajendra Jain, MD, Swar Group. The International Institute of Gemology celebrated its 30th convocation, honoring 150 graduates from its gemology, diamond, and jewelry design programs, with Swar Gems as the trophy sponsor and Swar Media as the official media partner. Tanishq illuminates the grand finale of India Kutu Week 2024, showcasing the best of its collections with Falguni Shane Peacock. The Indian gold industry has launched the Indian Association for Gold Excellence and Standards to enhance transparency and trust through self-regulation. Supported by the World Gold Council, it will be operational by early 2025. PNG Jewellers celebrates 20 years of its iconic Mangal Sutra Mahotsav with 2,000 new designs and exclusive discounts available at stores in Maharashtra and Goa. Malabar Gold and Diamonds opened a 4,800 square feet store in Gajuvaka, Vizag, inaugurated by MLA Palla Srinivasa Rao. Kiran Gems, one of the world's largest diamond manufacturers, has announced a 10-day vacation for its 50,000 employees from August 17th to 27th to address falling global demand and growing inventories. De Beers and GJPC are collaborating to enhance India's natural diamond sector, focusing on increasing awareness and boosting sales. Here is the latest news from the international gems and jewelry. Lucara Diamonds reported $41.1 million in revenue in Q1 2024, with the Karo mine operating for 3 years without interruption. The company recovered valuable diamonds and executed a $220 million project financing debt package. Monica Winder's new Odyssey collection features fully traceable aquamarine gemstones from Zimbabwe, promoting ethical sourcing and sustainable practices in jewelry. Louis Vuitton expands its high jewelry with a tumbler collection, featuring 5 new unisex designs with sharp, geometric lines and the iconic monogram flower motif in white gold and paved diamonds. Van Cleef & Arpels new book, The Van Cleef & Arpels Collection, 1906 to 1953, highlights iconic jewelry designs from the early 20th century with nearly 700 images and archival documents capturing the brand's storied elegance. To mark its 40th anniversary, Thomas Sabo introduces a new collection of automatic watches. Moyawat has introduced its new collection, Sun on the Seven Wonders, drawing inspiration from the sun's radiance and the grandeur of the world's 7 wonders. The Indian fashion is showing its charm as usual. At India Kutu Week 2024, couturiers showcased diverse trends, including reimagined lehengas by Tarun Tahiliani and Rimzim Dadu, innovative shararas by Gaurav Gupta and Kunal Rawal, and contemporary saris by Falguni Shane Peacock and Amit Agarwal. The event celebrated royal aesthetics with collections from JJ Valya and Abu Sandeep, while shine and shimmer were prominent in Suneet Verma's and Siddharth Tytler's designs, blending traditional crafts with modern glamour. Lakme Fashion Week and FDCI have announced a new batch of GenNext designers, including Padma Saldin, Saurabh Maurya, Ananya Arora, and Sakshi Vijay Punyani, who will compete in the 38th edition of GenNext. Reliance Retail has opened its 3rd Azort store in Bengaluru at Vegas City Mall. The store features advanced amenities like smart trial rooms and self-checkout kiosks. Raymond Q1 Pat experienced a 27% YoY increase in revenue, with real estate revenue doubling to 487.8 crore rupees and engineering and auto components revenue also doubling to 419 crore rupees. L'Oreal is set to acquire a 10% stake in Swiss skincare firm Galderma as part of a larger strategic partnership. The French firm seeks to reduce profits from the booming medical cosmetics market. Flipkart has launched Flipintrends, an initiative aimed at boosting Made in India fashion brands during the festive season. Bringing together over 100 Indian brands using AI, merchandising techniques, and insights from 500 million users. We have some interesting news from the international fashion market. Prada Group, in partnership with UNFPA, launches Fashion Expressions, the stories she wears, in Querétaro, Mexico. The initiative empowers local female artisans with fashion skills and promotes women's. Givenchy's first permanent Los Angeles store opens in the historic Frank Lloyd Wright building on Rodeo Drive, with the retail space debuting this month. That was all for today. Thank you everyone. We will see each other soon with more updates. I am Swara, world's first AI anchor of the fashion, gems and jewelry industry by Swar Media Network, signing off. Until then, स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, शुभ रात्रि, शबा खैर।